Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a great method which you can earn money online like 1000 USD, 3000 USD per month, daily maximum 500 USD you can earn if you work hard and if you follow my method. So today I will share you a best method ever. Okay, so let's get started and always subscribe my channel and beside with me because I will upload all types I will upload make all type of make money online video and you can earn if you follow my video. So let's get started. First uh, you have to be an account like CPA marketing account, CPA grip, CPA lead, Fmind, Maxbound, a lot of network here. Which network you have, I don't know, but if you have one network, you can start your work. Or if you don't have any CPA network, then go to my description link. Here you get your link and just open your account. Okay. So today I will work with Appmind. Let me log in the appmind.com. Appmind. You maybe know Appmind.com. It's worldwide leading affiliate network platform or CPA network platform, anything like that. So you already seen in my dashboard here. I have to select an offer which I will promote on social media. So which product I can choose? Let me see because most conversion product you will see the updates here. Added this all the most conversion product here. You just list here and you can choose an one offer which you want to work. Go to the offer, go to the offer section, then browse and all offer. Here you'll see all types of offer. You have to apply or there are some auto approval also, or you can apply here also. Then I can choose one product which will be more convert like that, and device all types. You have to choose all types of device. You have to choose all types of device used. If any customer will convert or will convert your lead from any device, then your lead will be count. Suppose here desktop conversion. If customer will give the user email submit from the mobile, then that will not be conversion. That will not count any conversion. So always remember that all device must be selected for a conversion, good conversion. So let me choose one product here, one offer from here. I can choose I can choose Walmart offer. Walmart offer has has been good converted lead come or Tesla. Okay, let me choose Tesla. Here you see the all specification which they offer. So let me choose the Tesla. Okay, I have to download these images, or you can create images from the Canva. You can edit a good images, or you can create a good of landing images. Today I will promote directly, not landing page, not need a landing page. So if you follow landing pages, then it will be better. So I downloaded already. Then I have to sort this thing. Don't don't take this full link. Your account will be banned in any social media. So always short this thing or use landing page for safety. Okay, and so don't take full URL. Just take this link and convert in the short URL because no social media or no nothing accepted full link or direct link. So use any landing page or short link. Go to the short link. So I use this short link URL website. Its name is Tele URL. You can do that. Get paste here and shorten here. Maybe from here. So where we will go to the or we can promote offer on the social media. Which social media? First we can use the Twitter. Okay, go to the Twitter.com. Here you have to account at Twitter. I think you can create an account on Twitter. I have already account on Twitter. So and after open Twitter account, here must be upload social media, here must be upload picture, the profile picture. And profile picture, if you follow the marketing system about the how can customer will come on a social media, then go to this system that upload the profile picture like with money related profile picture, because it will convert more, everyone will follow you. So I have already opened my account, so let me post or marketing my offer. So what's happening here, I have to post here. So I have an offer. You can write here, hello, grab this opportunity. You have to you have to write some techniques to collect leads or you confer good conversion. So you have to convert more if you have many techniques. So which the offer it was? Let me see. Tesla. This is all about Tesla jobs. Yeah, Tesla jobs. I recommend you to claim this offer and and select your position. So like that, you must you'll I think you'll get converted if you follow the system or something. Then paste here, then paste this. Or it's gone. I have to create again. Go to here and just copy new URL. Copy and paste here. Okay. So do some uh, hashtag like job USA job seeker, remote job. Always use hashtag. It will convert more because everyone uses hashtag to search. So everyone will search like remote jobs, anything. Your offer will be come here and they will go to this link and you will get conversion. So I think it's the best technique ever, which I followed and got some technique lead also. Remote job, full time job. You can do also that. Another is uh, time job. So now post share. You can add a picture also. No problem. You can add a picture. We download this picture. You can add this. If you add this, then it will be better. So yeah, exactly. It's perfect. And here you can also add some description also. Add some alter text because it will convert more if you add alter text at the picture description. So our post is ready. We can upload now. Okay. So upload now. Let's um, do this button at tweet. It's named tweet here, Twitter. Like the Facebook post, Twitter is here tweet. So our post will be on something written, no problem. They don't accept this link. We can use another link. Click. If they also accept this link, then we have to use landing pages. They didn't accept it, then we have to use landing pages. Yeah, accepted. So tell URL is not working, you can use Cutly. It's working. So our post is successfully accepted and it posted. So I think I will get conversion today, because these rules, this system, this technique will convert more, and you will get more conversion. So I hope you will get more conversion to follow my technique, and it is very used. And if you open like 5 to 6 account and daily post at least 4 to 5 posts in one account, in different account like 20 to 30 posts related to this offer. So I think your earning will be 100 to 200 per day. It's very silly. So I hope today's video you got understand, and you will follow my video and you will start it work soon. And if you don't have any account affiliate or CPA, then go to my description link. Here you will get your link to apply at the CPA network or affiliate network, and you get approved if you click from my link. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for enjoying my video.